guys, welcome back. Today we're playing Minecraft, which is a game that I'm playing. Anyway, let's get into it. I forgot I kind of left off here. So I have found something really good. If you go on Discord and search old school Minecraft, there's a little server that comes up. And when you click on it and go to the player towns, you see all these beautiful structures and builds. And I really like that. Because I now have inspiration that I can use at any time. This is great. So shout out to the old school Minecraft server. Big server. It's very easy to use. You just verify by reacting, and it's all that. It's really good. Check it out. We finished the cake. Wait, hang on. When did I bake a cake first? Oh, I don't know. I think maybe episode 9. Because this is episode 15 or something. Wait, is it? Hang on. It could be. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So today, we're taking a small break from our storage adventures, and we're gonna build a house somewhere over here. The pig that ruined our thumbnail killed and executed. So I have a good one in mind. There's a photo here of a house that I could do. It's got a lot of glass, but I've got glass. It's fine. Yeah. Let's just get straight into it, I guess. Why not? Oh. Let's go, guys. I promise you I'm gonna explore that area eventually. I don't know when. I don't know where. I don't know what, how, or why, but I will. Anyway, I think what I'm about to build is gonna be the furnace utility room, because it's the furnace room, and I think I need some furnaces to use desperately. I also need coal. I don't know how to generate that, so I'm gonna need to use charcoal. So, I'm very happy that I found that server yesterday, because that has helped me with my inspiration issues. So now I'm inspired enough to replicate some of people's ideas and then transform them. Like, that was a house for 3 people. It's now a house for furnaces. Yeah, just is. Yada. I still can't believe that Rat Dogs is over 1,000 episodes. It is literally a world record, I think. And he just keeps uploading like it's nothing. So be that guy. It's nonchalant as fuck. It really is. I need terraforming materials. I mean, it's hard enough to spend 10 years straight playing Minecraft on the same version. I mean, he did update it, so I can't really say that. But to play it and document it all that time is really good. I'm really happy about that. Because there is a small community of people that are playing beta and, you know, normal Minecraft. I mean, I'm on release 1.7.3, so technically that would make this 1.8, like pre 1.8. I don't know. But yeah, just something crazy to think about. But yeah, I'm super happy. Oh! I'm gonna finish. Also, if this is episode 15, that means episode 16 is a multiple of 2. 2 to the power of 4. That's gonna be the title of that episode. Because, you know, it's now a tradition. And we've got to wait for episode 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 4096, 8192. I don't know. Something like that. Like and subscribe if I got, like, all of them right. Anyway, it has literally been 20 minutes since I recorded my last session, which is how you know I'm awesome. And it's also how you know I'm fucking pumping out these videos like it's nothing. I will be completing this. And on episode 16, I will be going there. Okay, so the road starts here. So it looks like a tavern. I don't know about you, but it just does. 6, 7, 8. People that unironically say 6, 7 should not be alive. I'm just saying, it's the most unfunny joke ever made. I'm repulsed at the thought of people enjoying that joke. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Wait, how does he... What? Hang on. I'm gonna move that there. We're gonna have some part of it at an angle. I've never done an angled build before, so this is new. Learning with William. There you go. Not wanking with William, because obvious reasons. Had to make that weird. Fuck, I've run out of... I'm not getting that chest open, so I'm just gonna make this so much more inconvenient for me. There you go, just enough. Bollocks. Okay, so the way they've built it has severely pissed me off. So they've got, like, you know, wood wall, obviously. I've actually got to do this one. So they've got this bit though. And this bit's got glass, but also has this down. It's so weird. Why? This is so inconvenient for me. So I'm gonna get the glass out, not my ass out. And then I'm gonna, I guess, go here. So. There you go. So it's like that. That is weird. I don't like that, but I do. Unexpect the expected. Oh, I've run out of bread. That's bad. I've gone through like 7 pieces. I guess I've still got pork chop. Just as well. There you go. 1, and then we'll do some more. So, the sun is setting. That sucks. But I don't really care. Because I need food. I genuinely wonder how many episodes I can do in one day. This is going to be like pushing the limit. So, this is going to be a weird episode. In terms of what the fuck is he doing? Yeah. That's me. You're probably wondering how I got here. I am too. Oh, I need a bigger wheat farm. Sleep. What do you mean sleeping? So, remember when I said I was gonna do another series? Well, I might need to put a pin in that because, I mean, I have before. I did the Splatoon Raiders game, and that actually did well with views. I don't really have a reason to take it down, other than Splatoon was a shithole to, like, set up. Like, wonderful game, I've already beat it. But that shit was fucking hard to set up. I hated every second of setting that game up. I had to buy a capture card, which I already had actually, so I didn't have to buy one, but I had a capture card, and then I had to do all this bullshit with it, and he was like, what's the point? And I didn't really want it to get in the way of this, because, you know, this is primarily my series. This is what keeps it going. I'm going to take that. Yeah. This series is basically everything I need on this channel. Oh my god. Lord help me. There you go. So. Wow, this is lasting a while. Ah. I hope I'm not muted. Okay, I'm not. What happened to the sound? It's like there's no music. It's made me upset. I like when the music appears. It's relaxing. Oh yeah, here's F3 for those wondering what my things are. Wow, I'm using a lot of memory. Anyway. It's nothing, probably. Yeah, it just went down, okay. I thought it was like going up too much. Not too sure what that means. Oh, I've got a YouTube notification now. Wow, I'm famous now, guys. Oh, it's that Pigman2000-02C. He hearted my comment where I said, "Can I give you a shout out?" He didn't actually say yes, so my bad. Wait, do I get a chicken? Fuck. KFC. Anyway, wait, Big Ocean. I know where one of the paths is leading to. In case you're wondering, it's gonna lead to the Big Ocean. Dude, remember when I was only running off cow beef? And now I have wheat? That's like so super awesome. And I used to die in every episode. Now I don't. I just die in episode 12. Or 13. I don't know which was which. Oh, this is gonna be a while. A long while. Okay, 40 sounds like a lot. A lot. I don't think we need any more. I hope we don't need any more, because that sucks to make. Bread. Oh, my first bit of wheat is grown. Oh, cool. So... Sorry, I thought I already ate that. What? So you get the top one. This is kind of the final part of the basis of this build. Bollocks. Also bollocks. Did you know Gordon Ramsay has a son? And his son isn't a chef? I didn't, but now I do, and that makes me upset. Don't worry guys, I'll put it back. I won't throw it back. Throwing's bad. Oh, I've got to do this now because it wastes wood now. Oh, I don't like this. Why did they build it like this? Makes me uncomfortable. See, I put it back. Respectable. Welcome to the USA. Cool. I feel like it's a waste to just suddenly eat bread. So I'm not gonna eat bread. Apples? Why are there so many? This tree is rich. What? There's one over here too. What's going on? Where'd it go? I'm rich. fucking Steve. You know, that meme. Funny. Oh! I've got iron. Lucky me. How do I get out? I have no blocks. I don't wanna freak out like this. Oh, I'm fucking Steve. I haven't actually been over here. This is weird. Water's never that blue. It's awesome. Everything's saturated, and I like it. I like it a lot. I was standing up. Wait, look how much. Oh, apples replenish only 2. Talk about sad. We've deforested quite a lot. This was probably all full of trees. Now it isn't. Remember the 1.15 trailer for the Buzzy Bees update? I do. Biggest disappointment of my fucking life. It was already ruined in 1.14 when they updated the textures. Because cows looked dumb in this version. And the udders were on their ass. And it was... What? The udders are 3D? No! I thought they were a texture. You're kidding! What? How am I this excited over udders? That's crazy. I did not know that. I thought it was just like part of the texture. That's... Really? Bit plain. Super plain. Okay, I've only got 24 pieces of wood. Could probably do this wall. And I can set up the basis of this wall and this wall. There we go. So it's been like, what, 28 minutes probably? Around that. Oh my god, it is night! I didn't know holding it down would help. Welcome back. So who's the father? Or is it, are you the father? I know I ain't, because I wouldn't get a woman pregnant underage. Unlike some people like George Cooper. Or Georgie. And George, actually. Brilliant. So. So here's our wonderful house. Really hate that. I might as well just put a chest in here, make it feel more like a house. Oh no, my stone pickaxe. It's got low durability. Never mind. We'll have a new one. Get me out! Okay. Super save. Got a bit of alliteration there. I'm addicted to saying so. I don't know why. I think it's just that block slide. It's just a word that you say and it sounds perfect. So or sure. Sure. It just sounds nice. Sounds so sure. Super sound. 44. You're a whore. No, you're not. Shop at my shop. Whoa. So, that wall is done. That wall is 2. There's a coin under my shoe. Bollocks, hang on. I'm gonna need a roof because that is typically what's on a house. Oh, that's why they built it like that. Because they needed a roof on this bit. You know what? I'm using birch for the floors. Birch is hated on too much, and that's a pain in the ass. Oh man. I'm gonna get so bored after episode 3, I'm telling you. Okay. When I finish the floors, this episode is over. Actually, no, because I need furnaces. When I get a lot of furnaces, then the video will be over. So. Bollocks. Yeah, I think this is legitimately just a series that's trying to help me with, procrastination. Or it's just an addiction. Or both. I just hope this isn't like a 2-week phase. Because I don't want to rapidly grow out of this one. This is nice. I kind of want to play Roblox as like a series, but I know I wouldn't, you know, fucking pedophiles, that whole situation. Apparently they banned Chris Hansen or something, he's like a pedophile catcher. So that's, that wasn't very good. So hang on, the next video is not going to be about this at all. The next video is going to be about exploring and then the episode after that's either going to be finishing this or the storage room. Or both, if I have the time. Because obviously I can't finish it now. So either today or tomorrow, this will be finished. Or it could be the day after tomorrow. Which I would low-key prefer not to have to deal with. So, whatever's easier for me. I think storage is going to be a pain in the ass, so is that. So exploring's definitely a good call. In terms of what I'm doing. It's probably been 36 minutes. Or not. Because I don't know. This is nice. So, I keep saying so, I've got to stop. It's getting real addicting. Uh-oh. Okay. Now stopped. I think my cough's gone away. But now that I say that, I think about it. I haven't been coughing, I think I've got it gone. Which is good. I'm more comfortable with YouTube now. Okay, I literally just need cobblestone now. And a torch. Yes, it is. Ooh, more dirt for the thing. That's nice. There you go. Yay! Furnace time. Fucking hell, that scared the shit out of me. Okay, I'm gonna die. Holy shit. Dude, that was about to give me a fucking heart attack. Oh my god. I need to get the fuck out of here. Fuck. Okay, hang on, this is actually serious. It's got full armor. Why has it got full armor? Okay, go down. Go. Go, go, go. I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna have to fucking fight it with broken axe. Broken pickaxe. Good job. I didn't even get armor for that. That's bullshit. I'm very upset. That is terrible. Whatever this slide of walls will get me is all I need. Ooh. I hope I get to the point where like the world tour is going to be over an hour long. Because it would be really nice to document that. It'd be a pain in the ass to do it every— What the fuck? Where did that even come from? Oh, it must be the things falling. Right. Jesus. Scared me. Four will do us a bit. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna get in the house. Go to sleep. Oh, man. Oh, what's it loading? Oh yeah, I've got the furnaces here. So, you know what that means? It means we're done. I'm not continuing this episode any further because I will die if I do. Not actually. I promise. Well, I'm not sure. Anyway, I think I might have set a new record because last time I did this where I upload more than one episode a day, I only got 2 episodes done. This time, I might get 3 or more. I have done 2 episodes in 2 hours, which is good. So with that, I will see you in the next episode. Farewell, all that shit. Bye.